Hello friends, I'm Ankush and today I'm going to show you how to change the background of a green screen object. What I mean by green screen object is any object or a person or anything which has a green background. For example, the one which is shown on the left. And we can change its background to anything we want, for example in the middle image, and the final result can be seen on the right. And similarly, if we take example of a person, we can also change the background of this girl to, let's say, this nature's image. And finally, it would look like this. Pretty cool, right? So let's see how the code looks like. Initially, I imported OpenCV, Matplotlib, and NumPy. So I just read it, I just inputted the image, and I made a copy of this image so that if we make any changes to the image, it should not get reflected to the original image. Okay, and then I changed the color notation. So OpenCV reads it using BGR notation, but Matplotlib reads it in RGB notation. So first we convert the color notation of this image using CVT color of this image copy, and we change from color BGR to RGB, and then we display the image and you can see the image. So now we need to remove the green part of this image so that we can take only the girl's picture and put it in the background image. Okay, so how do we do that? So we all know now that we have converted it to RGB format. So RGB, okay. So if we want to cut out the green segment of the image, so we need to cut out all the green pixels. So what do we mean by green pixels? Green pixels are those which has a high value for the G in RGB, which is green. Okay, so let's say we select a range of these green pixels and in which all the green pixels come, and then we remove it, then we will get the image of the girl only. So we take the range, and the low value of the range we take it as 0, 150, 0. So as you know, RGB values can go from 0 to 250, 255. So R can go from 0 to 255, similarly G and B can go from 0 to 255. So we take green, the lower range of green pixels as 150, and the upper range as 130, 255, 130. Why we are taking 130? Because some green pixels can happen that some R and B pigments can come, but essentially what we are saying here is that we have high values of G, that is for low we have 150 and for high we have the maximum which is 255. So we took this as the lower and upper range, and then we use the OpenCV's function inRange. What it does is that it basically uh, whatever comes in this range, which is green low and green high, it makes its pixel as 1 and rest is 0. So 1 means white and 0 means black. So in this inRange function, we provide the image copy, we provide the lower range, and we provide the upper range, and then we get the result. Okay, so now what we will do is that since we want the opposite, so because we want this girl's image and we don't want the background. Okay, so what we will do is we first make another copy of the original image copy, so, which is called masked image, and then in that masked image, so for whatever values that are not equal to 0, we are taking it as 0. Okay, so all the background pixels have value 1, which is not equal to 0. For all those values will become 0, and only the girls pixels will stay there, because mask not equal to, so we are taking for all the values of mask which are not equal to 0 as 0 comma 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 comma 0 means black, so all the remaining pixels became black. Okay, and then we import the nature image similarly. Now here what we are doing is just basically resizing. So now you can see that the size of this nature image is 800 something comma 1200 something, and the size of this girl's image is only 300 something or 500 something, and we want both the images to be of the same size because we are going to basically add it up. So we resize this nature's image uh, into this girl's image's dimensions, and then we what we do is we add it. So okay, first we remove from this nature's image, we remove all the pixels in which the girl's image is going to come. Okay, so for whatever the pixels in which for which mask is 0, for those pixels we make it 0 comma 0 comma 0. So all the girls pixels became black in this image, and then what we do is just add them up. So here for this nature image these girls pixels are 0, and for this girl's image only this girl's pixels are there and rest of the pixels are 0. We then add it up and then we get the final image and we save it. So which you can see over here. Looks good, right? So I hope you understood the code, and I'm attaching a link to this code in the description of the video. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.